Hello and welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina. If your emotions have been feeling like they're all over the place lately, this gentle flow will help you to bring balance again. Moving slowly, breathing deeply, just creating some space for some calm and patience to return. So roll out your mat and let's begin. Come seated on your mat. Close your eyes. Place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Close your eyes or have a soft gaze on a point. Feel your breath flow all the way to your belly. Let each breath be deeper. As you breathe in, the belly rises. As you breathe out, the belly falls. Allow yourself to breathe deeply. When you breathe deeply, you allow your feelings, your emotions to release, and your mood becomes lighter. You feel better. Then if your eyes are closed, gently open your eyes. Place your hands on your lap. Let's do some gentle stretching now. Taking one hand on the floor, just raising one hand, and then just coming to the side, feeling a lovely stretch on the side here. Breathing deeply, just taking your time, feeling a gentle stretch, gentle stretch on your neck as well. And placing the hand that's in your hair on the floor, let's come over to the other side. Just take your time, feeling a beautiful stretch. Stretching allows the muscles to open up and to relax, allowing the blood to flow with ease for your body, nourishing your organs, and bring your hands down. Now coming onto all fours, placing your fingers, spreading them, and just breathing in and looking up. Breathing out, curving your spine and looking down. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, coming down. Just move at your own pace. Take your time, no need to rush. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your spine. Then come to neutral, doing some hip circles. One way, breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. Gently, slowly, taking your time, feeling everything opening up. And then let's do the other side, just gently coming back, coming forward, breathing deeply, taking your time, no need to rush. Just check in with yourself, how you're feeling. Give yourself permission to just let go of anything not serving you right now. Then placing your toes on the mat, spreading your fingers, and then just pushing yourself up. And let's pedal our feet, just moving slowly. You might want to move from side to side. Might want to squat down and come up. Just really taking your time. And then see if your Our heels can touch the floor. If not, that's okay. And then just coming forward with one leg and then coming up slowly, breathing in, stretching up, and then coming down. Now this is called warrior. And now warriors are very strong. See if you can be steady in your strength. Feel the calmness. Breathing deeply. Take one more deep breath in here. And as you breathe out, bring your hands down, bring your feet in front. Let's go over to the other side. So stretching your arms, stretch, stretch, stretch. Think about how you're feeling. Maybe you're feeling a little bit calmer. You want to be thinking of how you can be steady in this strength. When you're feeling that your mood is not feeling so great, feeling your breath, allowing it to deepen, allowing your mind and body to relax. Stepping into your strength with calm. And then bringing your hands down, bringing your feet together, just taking a breath here. Now gently bending your knees, maybe having your feet together or slightly wide apart, and then coming down like you're sitting on a chair, bringing your hands together, and we're just going to twist gently, just gently. Now you can stay here or open up the arms, opening up your heart. Sometimes our hearts become closed because of things that happen to us. And when your heart becomes open, you become open to new possibilities. Just one more breath here. And then bringing your hands into prayer. Let's go over to the other side. Bending your knees and just coming over to the other side, taking a deep breath here and opening up your arms if that's open to you, breathing deeply, opening up your heart and then coming down slowly. Let's stretch up. Breathe deeply, taking your hands out by your sides. Let's widen our legs. Let's stretch up again. And this time just coming down slowly. Maybe you are here, that's okay. Maybe you're able to come down. Just taking a breath here. One more. Now if you're higher up, you can stay here or even come down and then be like this, because we're going to come down to a yogi squat. Or if you're able to, just bringing your feet in closer and just coming down into a yogi squat. This really helps to open up the muscles. It just helps us to relax, maybe moving from side to side. And just closing your eyes if that helps. Just feeling your breath. One more breath here. And then taking your hands to the floor, put some pressure and just coming up. And let yourself just hang here if it's possible. Bringing your hands to your elbows or on the floor, just hanging here. Feeling a beautiful stretch. The back of your neck, your back, your legs. And then just gently coming up slowly, taking your time. And then closing your eyes or having a soft gaze on a point, bringing your hands in prayer to your heart. Check in with yourself, see how you're feeling. You chose to take care of you right now, to take care of your mood so you can feel better. Breathe deeply. Now taking your hands to your heart and just reminding yourself you took some time for yourself, some self-care, self-love. Remember that if you don't love yourself or like yourself, you cannot do that for another. So take a moment right now to send some love to yourself. Feel that in your whole body, just expanding, feeling the love for yourself. Bringing your hands now into prayer. Gently open your eyes if your eyes are closed. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed the class. Do share it with anyone who would appreciate this, who feels like they could do with some lifting up. So look forward to practicing with you again, and until next time, namaste.